Mikkie, are you going crazy again? What's going on?
Martin, we've got loads of comments on our videos that they aren't the way they used to be. We gotta fix this!
Okay, Mikkie.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the last week of this giveaway. It's the Malanica Bushcraft with a 1 year long waiting list. It's the Bark Griffer and CPM 3V. And oh no, it's the Lars Veldfolder. It's unbelievable. And we can eat another month. Thank you for giving all your money. Yeah.
It seems Mikkie B and Martin were trapped in a dark place where creators no longer speak the same language as viewers. People want the DBK boys to go back to an older DBK style, but I'm afraid DBK themselves don't even know what that means.
What are we gonna do? What the bloody hell do they want? I mean, I thought we were the Perfect Knife channel.
That's very wrong, Mikkie. We've become clowns. Clowns, I tell you. Yeah. I think I've got the answer. Yeah.
Clowns?
Martin thought he had the answer. The people didn't want to see childish jokes anymore. They wanted to see testing. Today it would be the amazing Cold Steel AD-10, supposedly tougher than the SR1 they previously tested. Just some regular wood processing is what the people wanted to see.
Can you see? We have to talk about we can't be free. Delighted company, well you're too happy. Blast us on now. We get to talk about a long European. You got me falling, you're too happy. Blast us on now.
See, Mikkie? What did I tell you?
No, Martin, they still hate it!
I think I've got the answer.
Get around, Mikkie! Matters on the rest. Get around, Mikkie! Matters on the rest.
You see, Martin, they want the theatrics. People love the DBK showmanship. They want to see the soul of the knife visualized on the screen.
Get around, Mikkie! Matters on the rest. Get around, Mikkie! Matters on the rest. Get around, Mikkie! Matter on the west. Get around, Mikkie! Matters on the west.
Mikkie, that's enough, you fool. We have to go back to informative. And there is only one person who can help. David Attenborough. Finally, our heroes came back to their senses and decided to start making quality content again. Like said before, this particular knife is the Cold Steel AD-10, an amazing tough folder with CPM as 35 VN steel. Needless to say, feather sticking wasn't a problem for this knife and could be done all day long with this amazing super steel. That said, It seems the factory V-edge could use a little convex sharpening to show its true potential. The next challenge for every DBK knife will be striking a so-called fire steel. Without a sharp spine, one could be trying all day without producing a single spark. Although it may be far from the best fire maker, it might just be DBK's toughest folder yet. So who can blame it?
No, Mikkie. This isn't good either. So that's it, eh? That's it. You know what, Martin? Screw it all, man! Mikkie? If they don't like anything we do anymore, I'm bloody done. Done! Screw it, I've had enough of this shit! Bah!
Cold steel AD-10.
It's crazy.
It's another bloody cold steel.
Definitely, yeah. Again. What is it with us in cold steel these days?
I don't know. What is it with this giveaway that we're giving away? I mean, this is the last week. It's one of the best giveaways we have ever done, but nobody seems to realize.
No.
Because it's a Malanica Bushcrafter. It's a year-long waiting. This is our favorite knife maker. And another CPM 3V knife, a bark with a Bushcrafter, and a Loschfeld folder.
Oh man, are we crazy that we're giving this all away and not keeping it ourselves?
We are very desperate to get all that money.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And we want to give something back.
Back to the knife, Mikkie. This knife, I first saw it on Instagram a while back and I thought, well, whoa, this is a very beautiful cold steel folder.
Yeah.
And it is, because I have it in my hand right now and I can confirm it.
We had previously have tested the SR1.
Yeah. Where would you place each knife? In what kind of category?
Okay, I would say, do you want that ultimate tough folder? You want this one, the SR1.
Yeah. And this one?
This one is on another level somehow.
Yeah, it is.
Because the feather sticking, even though there's only a V-edge on it, it is an amazing feather sticker for a folder. It is an amazing carver for a folder. It was the only knife that we threw against the board so many times.
Yeah, that really didn't have a single slightly bit of wiggle.
Wiggle, Martin, we hate wiggle.
Yeah.
We do not want wiggle in those knives.
No, only in those asses.
The last time we I do want to say one thing, CPM S35VN has really surprised me in a positive way. It held an edge even after cutting the stone.
Yeah.
After cutting a bloody brick.
Just a little bit of stone sharpening and it will be alright again.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, check out our Patreon, check out our webshop. We have a store, dbkshop.com. And
Strops coming back, strops are coming back in stock soon.
Likey Dyke, post notification, subscribe. Yeah, you all want to do that. And
Instagram.
go to the Instagram.
Yeah, nice.
Bye!